Welcome! If you're looking to make your Facebook experience even better by seeing the most relevant comments first, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to enable the Show Most Relevant Comments First feature on the Facebook app for PC following the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can manage all your account preferences. Next, look for the section labeled Followers and Public Content. Click on it to enter the settings related to who can follow you and how your public content is managed. Now, scroll down until you find the option that says Show Most Relevant Comments First. This setting allows Facebook to automatically display the most relevant comments at the top of your posts, making it easier to see the most important or engaging conversations. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch or select the option to turn it on. Once it's enabled, Facebook will prioritize comments based on relevance, so you'll see the most meaningful interactions first rather than just the newest or most recent ones. That's it! You've now set Facebook to show the most relevant comments first on your posts. This small change can make a big difference in how you interact with your friends, followers, and the wider Facebook community. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this update. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more engaging Facebook experience.